y asegurarnos de que todas estén ajustadas correctamente. Y,
a conjunction meaning, and, pronounced.
a
short, simple sound. It connects clauses or phrases, adding an element to the previous statement. Here, it links the action of ensuring to the overall goal.
asegurarnos.
The first person plural form of the verb.
Asegurar.
Meaning, to ensure, or, to make sure. Pronounced.
Asegurarnos.
With emphasis on the second syllable and a soft
R.
sound. The
Nos.
ending signifies that the action is being done by.
We.
Plural.
De.
A preposition meaning of, or, from, indicating origin or cause. Pronounced.
De.
With a soft, almost silent
H.
sound. It shows the object or purpose of the action. Here, it shows the purpose of the ensuring that everything be adjusted correctly.
Que.
A conjunction meaning that, or, which, introducing a subordinate clause. Pronounced.
KH.
Similar to the English, K. It introduces the clause specifying the condition to be ensured.
Todas.
The feminine plural form of
Todo.
meaning all, or, everything. Pronounced.
Todas.
The
De.
is soft and almost blends with the
A.
The feminine form is used because the objects being adjusted or assumed to be feminine in grammatical gender. E.g., parts of a garment or machine.
Estén.
The third person plural subjunctive form of the verb.
Estar.
Meaning, to be, in a state of being. Pronounced.
Estén.
With a soft
T.
and a faint
N.
The subjunctive is used because it expresses a desired or necessary state of being rather than a factual one.
Ajustadas.
The feminine plural past participle of the verb.
Ajustar.
Meaning, to adjust, or, to fit. Pronounced.
Ajustadas.
With stress on the second syllable. The feminine plural form agrees with
Todas. Correctamente.
an adverb meaning correctly or properly. Pronounced.
Correctamente.
The stress is on the second syllable. It modifies the verb,
Ajustadas.
specifying how the adjustment should be made. Putting it together.
Y asegurarnos de que todas estén ajustadas correctamente.
Means, and to make sure that all of them are correctly adjusted, or, and we must ensure that everything is properly adjusted. It's a phrase that emphasizes the need for careful and precise adjustment of multiple items.